Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. We're going to do a test shot on the Vibiemme. We tuned up the group head, adjusted the refill probe as well as the vacuum breaker, and then we tuned the expansion valve and the pump. We'll go ahead and pull a shot first. Test coffee, so it's coming rather fast. Anyway, there we go for the test shot. Nice strong steam. Water comes out. I do want to just show one more thing. As you can see, nothing is coming out of the expansion valve, just the exhaust. Anyway, thank you for repairing with Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. Please like this video. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our page.